In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted spreadsheet from Google Sheets. We all make mistakes sometimes, and deleting a file by accident is easier than you'd think. Luckily, Google offers a safety net by not immediately erasing your spreadsheets. Instead, it temporarily moves them to the trash in your Google Drive. This means you've got a chance to retrieve your work without starting from scratch. First, let's talk about how you can find your deleted spreadsheet. The key here is accessing your Google Drive using the same Google account you used to create the spreadsheet initially. You'll want to ensure you're logged in to the correct account to find your file seamlessly. Once you're in Google Drive, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll see a variety of folders and locations for your files. Now, look for the Trash option. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a space where Google stores all your deleted files temporarily. This includes files from Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and even other files you might have uploaded to Google Drive. In essence, the Trash folder acts as a safety net across various Google services, centralizing your files in one easy-to-retrieve location. For those of you curious about the process, let's take a moment to walk through it. Imagine you've just accidentally deleted your current Google Sheets file. It's okay, don't worry. Simply head back over to your Google Drive, then click on the Trash option. There you'll find the file you deleted, just waiting to be restored to its former glory. Once you've located your spreadsheet in the trash, the restoration process is incredibly straightforward. Simply right-click on the file in question. This will bring up a menu of options from which you'll select Restore. And just like that, your spreadsheet will be moved back to its original location in Google Drive, accessible as if it never left. Remember, this process is quick and hassle-free, offering you peace of mind and the opportunity to correct mistakes painlessly. However, if you don't see your file, check how long ago it was deleted, as files in the Trash folder are automatically permanently deleted after 30 days. Keeping this time frame in mind will help ensure you're not caught off guard. By following these steps, you're well prepared to navigate the process of recovering a deleted spreadsheet, reinforcing your ability to safeguard your work and focus on what's important, your content. This helpful trick ensures that your valuable information is never permanently lost, and you can seamlessly return to your projects. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on navigating the digital world with ease.